This is B. Nagaraju, contract lecturer in botany from Government Degree College, Kurutla. Today my topic name is ultrastructure of cell wall. So my topic contents are introduction, what is cell wall, types of the cell wall layers, and structural organization of cell wall, and chemical composition of cell wall, and function of cell wall. So this is the fine diagram of a plant cell. So now see the introduction of cell wall. A plant cell was first observed and named by Robert Hooke in 1665. Cell wall is comparatively thick and rigid envelope that surrounded plant cell. It was first discovered by Hans Steen. The membranes adjacent to vesicle fuse and form middle lamella, a cell plate. Cell wall is a synthesized ladder to complete cytokinesis. So what is cell wall? The cell wall is a protective layer outside of the cell membrane that also provides support for the cell structure. A cell wall refers to the rigid and semi-permeable protective layer in some types of cells. So this outer covering is also located next to the plasma membrane of the cells of plants, algae, bacteria and fungi. So this is the cell wall layers. The cell wall is differentiated into three layers. The first one is the middle lamella, and the second one is the primary cell wall, third one is the secondary cell wall. So this is the structure of the cell wall. So in this diagram we clearly seen primary cell wall, plasma membrane, secondary cell wall, and the cytoplasm, nucleus and vacuole. So now see the middle lamella. Middle lamella is the cementing substances between two adjacent cells. It is made up of pectic compounds, chiefly calcium and magnesium pectate. Pectic substances are the mixture of polygalactoran. So they are the D-galactonic acid and polysaccharides. And sometimes lignin and hemicellulose also are found in the middle lamella. In mature ripe fruits, the softening is due to the dissolution of middle lamella by the action of pectolytic enzymes. So this is the transverse section and longitudinal section of cell wall. So in this diagram we clearly seen primary, middle and secondary layers of cell walls. So this is the ultrastructure of plant cell wall. So in the first diagram, the cell wall containing cellulose, microfibrils, hemicellulose, pectin and lignin and soluble proteins. And the second diagram, cellulose synthase enzymes are in rosetic complexes which float in the plasma membrane. And third C diagram, lignification occur in the S1, S2, S3 layers of the cell wall. Now see the primary cell wall. Primary cell wall is formed when cellulose fibrils produced by protoplasm are accumulated in concentric rows on either side of middle lamella. It is thin and elastic in young, enlarging cells and becomes thick and rigid during cell maturity. So it is composed of hemicellulose, cellulose, non-cellulosic polysaccharide and smaller amounts of pectic substances, fats and proteins. Now see the third one, secondary cell wall. The secondary cell wall is laid down between the primary cell wall and protoplast and is formed when the cell mature. It is formed by the deposition of cellulose on primary cell wall. So it is inelastic and rigid. It is chiefly composed of cellulose and other non-cellulosic substances like lignin, fats and proteins. So these are the chemical composition of cell wall. So the cell wall comprises the following components: cellulose 10 to 15%, hemicellulose 5 to 15%, water 60%, protein 1 to 2%, lipids 0.3 to 3%, pectic substances 2 to 8%. Now see the function of cell wall. It helps the aerial portion of the land plants to tolerate gravitational force. It being permeable helps in the transport of material in and out of the cell. It expands and contracts physically with the change in turgor pressure. It provides a definite shape to the cell and protect internal organelles from external shocks. And cell wall, it plays role in cell enlargement, and it helps in aerial portion of the land plants to tolerate gravitational force. It being permeable helps in the transport of material in and out of the cell. It expands and contracts physically with the change in turgor pressure. It plays role in cell enlargement. Thank you.